In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a video in your project. If you want to create a second version of a video without changing the original, duplicating it is the easiest way to do that. This is especially useful when you want to test edits, try a different format, or keep a backup copy inside the same project so you can work more freely. To begin, open the video you want to duplicate. Make sure you're inside the correct project and that the video is fully selected or active on your screen. Taking a moment to confirm this helps avoid creating a copy of the wrong item, especially if your project contains multiple videos. Once the video is open, go to the settings area. This is where you'll usually find the main options that control how the video is managed. Depending on your workspace layout, settings may appear in a side panel, a toolbar, or a menu attached to the video. If you don't see it right away, just look carefully through the available controls until you find it. Inside settings, open the advanced section. This area typically contains additional actions that aren't part of the most basic editing tools. It's common for duplication and other management options to be placed here, so if the panel is collapsed, expand it to reveal the full list. From there, click Duplicate Video. As soon as you do this, the platform will create a copy of the current video for you. In most cases, the duplicate keeps the same content and settings as the original at the moment it's copied, which makes it a convenient starting point for new edits without affecting your first version. After the action is complete, a new copy will appear in your project. You should now see the duplicated video listed alongside the original. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that the copy has been created successfully so you know you're working with the right version moving forward, and that's it. You've successfully duplicated your video. This simple process can save time, reduce mistakes, and make it much easier to experiment with different edits while keeping your original video untouched.